We're finding a place to put it.
That's actually a pretty good place for it.
Yeah, put it right there, Cutler. Is that where it goes? And then Cutler, look at Mom. You're gonna earn coins at school for being for making really good choices, and then you get to do what with those coins?
Get a toy.
Get a toy out of the machine.
There's also some stickers in there.
And bouncy balls. What do you think, Cutler? Do you love it?
What? We have cake.
Cutler, should we sing happy? Cutler, should we sing happy birthday to you? Okay.
Sticker.
You never know.
Cutler, what are you gonna get out of the machine again?
Or it'll be a sticker. Oh, it's a little pumpkin.
Be careful.
How turn?
Can I help you? Keep going.
Other way.
That way. Time out. No, nothing that time. All right, let's try again.
I know, that's
I think it might be a little bit full.
That's why I was saying we should have
There it goes. Did you get a ball? He got a bouncy ball.
Oh my gosh. Bouncy ball? Bounce it. Whoa.
There it goes.
Okay.
What'd you get, Cutler?
A ball.
Here, Cutler.
Haha.
We should have a little place that we keep all those things in.
So where's his little guide that he got?
I have it. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Are you ready to do cake?
Yeah. Ice cream too.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. 7.
Whoa, 7.
All right. Everybody ready? What song are we going to sing?
What song should we sing, Cutler? What song? Should we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
No.
What song?
Do you know what song it's called?
No.
Happy birthday song?
Happy birthday song. Say that.
He was singing it to himself earlier.
No.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cutler. Happy birthday to you.
Big breath, blow.
Okay, careful.
Yeah! Good job, Cutler.
You can keep these toys if you want.
So
Toys.
Well, you want to.
Cutler, what do we do now? Do we just put the cake away? We're all done. Go to bed?
No.
No. What do we do?
Cut it.
Cut it, and then what?
Get a piece.
Oh, and then what?
Chocolate. Yeah. On them,
He wants to look at his machine again.
He's got that, actually, excited face.
Yeah.
He can't.
Can't believe he actually has one.
Rocky.